Hey, if you are trying to figure out how to start on a YouTube channel the right way, if you do not care about starting a YouTube channel, maybe you're into creating TikTok videos or Instagram posts, then that's cool too. Keep watching this video because you're gonna want to check it out. What's up YouTube universe, and a special welcome to the subs of my YouTube journey channel. I'm Brad, and my passion is to provide inspiration and tips to new YouTubers, content creators, and people who are considering starting a YouTube channel. If I can do it, you can do it too. Watch this video all the way to the end to learn on how to become a successful YouTuber right from the start. And please comment below on what you've enjoyed most and which topics you would like me to cover on future videos. And follow me on social media. The links are in the description box below. How you doing? You alright? I reside in the United States, and at the time of this recording, we are now at the epicenter for the novel coronavirus. The numbers are overwhelming and alarming. I hope that you are safe at home and doing the best that you can to avoid traveling, practicing social distancing, and washing your hands many times a day. If you are an essential worker, thank you for your service. My prayers and thoughts goes out to all of the families who are affected by this disease. I pray and remain positive that pharmaceuticals, doctors, scientists can create a cure and a vaccine. In this video, we will discuss all the ingredients you need to become a successful YouTuber, like topics, time management, for brainstorming ideas, recording, and editing. We will also discuss affordable equipment for beginners. If it is one thing that I hate is when you watch a how-to video, then you spend hours searching on the web to try to find that item that they discussed. Well, today, I've saved you some time. I have some links in the description box below with all of the tools that you will need to create this video, as well as a link to try Amazon Prime for free. Building a YouTube channel does not require a lot of monetary investment, but it does require time investment. You may be thinking, I have no time. Now, I know this isn't you, but for example, instead of binge watching shows for hours and hours on CBS and the Discovery Channel, invest some of that spare time in your YouTube channel. It really is not about not having time. It is about redirecting that time into something that can build a legacy. Before we dive into the meat and potatoes of this video, I would like to answer one of my viewers' questions. Arnold asks, I understand all the niches and targeting of followers, but how do I get paid? Arnold, great question, bro. As a YouTube partner, you will be eligible to earn money from your videos, get creator support, and more. I will be posting a video with more information on this very soon. Please click or tap on the notification button to be notified. Why should you start a YouTube channel? You need to have a purpose. People start YouTube channels for many reasons. YouTube channels take time, patience, and commitment. You must dig deep to know why. What are your passions? What topics fascinate you? What keeps you up at night? You must be able to share useful information like how-to videos, or entertainment like doing music covers or even comedy. How much time do I need to put together my thoughts? Maybe you are an extrovert and you do not need extra time to think about what you need to say. You have the gift of gab. If so, turn on your camera and start recording. If you are an introvert like me, you will need to invest some time and energy in gathering your thoughts. On average, a 10-minute video takes about 2 to 3 hours to type a rough draft about what topics I want to discuss, which includes time to brainstorm ideas and doing a little research on the web. Then compiling what I've found and putting it in my own words. I know that 2 to 3 hours sounds like a lot of time, but it may take you even less time than that. Here is what I have discovered about YouTube. You cannot just record a bunch of videos and upload it during your summer vacation. You must stay consistent. It is better to upload 1 video a week than it is to upload 4 in 1 week, then 0 for the rest of the month. hold on to those videos and release them 1 week at a time. Do I need the latest camera with all the bells and whistles? The truth is, you do not need an expensive camera to record videos for YouTube. Any smartphone with a high-definition camera will do. Here is a tip. You don't want to use the selfie because the megapixels are usually much less than the back cam. You want to use the back cam. This video was recorded with an iPhone 7. For some YouTube channels, you may not even need a camera at all. You may be interested in doing how-to tutorials or recipes, and for this, you may only need pictures and slides. On YouTube, content is king. People are watching your videos for you because they like your style and not for any fancy editing skills. Where to record for the best possible lighting? Spend a little time to do some research around your home to see where you have the best natural light coming in. If you are recording at night, then a room in your home with the best lights, and consider swapping your existing bulbs for brighter and more natural ones. Do I have to hire someone to hold a camera? If you are on a shoestring budget, you can be creative and place your phone on the counter with an empty box behind it holding it in place. Or if you're willing to spend a few bucks, you can get a user-friendly tripod which will hold your camera to be more flexible with the height and place it virtually anywhere. My phone already has a mic. Do I really need to buy a separate one? Audio quality on YouTube is critical. People do not want to watch your videos if they do not understand what you are saying or if your sound quality is scratchy and annoying. For example, this is the audio what it sounds like without the microphone plugged in. The sound seems far away, maybe a speakerphone, or sounds like an amateur. For this recording, I'm using a lapel mic that provides rich and melodious sound. You can get a professional sounding microphone for less than $15 on Amazon. If you are interested in the mic that I'm using to record this video, the link is in the description box below. How do I edit? I've never done it before. Do not feel overwhelmed. If you have never used an editing software, I have come to realize that the free editing software that comes with your device are straightforward and very user-friendly. Many YouTubers use iMovie on their phone or Mac. Here's what I did. I recorded my first video in 4K on my iPhone. Then I uploaded that content onto my computer. Next, I opened Windows Video Editor and I played around until I figured things out. Editing a 10-minute video for me takes around 3.5 hours or so. If you are good at getting your initial recording right the first time, then you will not need much time for editing. There's no better time to start a YouTube channel than today. T.S. Eliot said, "Every moment is a fresh beginning." You have a choice before you. What are you going to do to ensure that the alarm clock goes off and you are ready and up? Forget about the alarm clock. Your passion should be making you jump out of bed. I will, I can, and I must. Dig deep and get it done. This is your year, and there's a lot in store for you. So start recording and uploading content today. I hope you have enjoyed this video as much as I've enjoyed recording it. I know that I was able to give you the knowledge and tools that you need to start your own YouTube channel. If you are thinking about starting a YouTube channel, or simply want to research on how YouTubers make content, you are in the right place. To continue our journey, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video. Click or tap on the notification button so you will be the first to know when I upload new content. You will not want to miss a single video. Peace.